Donald Trump is back in the White House, the markets are buzzing, stocks are soaring, and gold? Well, gold took a dive. Right after the election, gold prices plunged. It was a sharp drop, over 6% in just a couple of weeks. Some folks panicked. They thought the gold bull market was over. But here's the deal, don't overreact. This kind of short-term volatility is normal after a big election. Investors were optimistic about Trump's pro-business talk. They piled into stocks, pushing the market higher. Gold, seen as a safe haven, took a back seat. So, gold is down. It's been a rough ride for gold investors lately, with prices dipping and market sentiment turning sour. But is it out? Not by a long shot. Despite the recent downturn, there are compelling reasons to stay optimistic about gold. Here's why I'm still bullish on gold in the long term, especially with Trump at the helm. First, inflation. Historically, gold has been a reliable hedge against inflation. Trump's policies, like tax cuts and tariffs, could lead to higher prices. These measures might stimulate the economy in the short term but could also drive inflation up. And what's a great hedge against inflation? You got it, gold. Second, geopolitical uncertainty. The global political landscape is more volatile than ever. Let's face it, Trump's style can be unpredictable. His decisions can create waves in the market, leading to uncertainty. That can make some investors nervous. When markets are shaky, investors often seek refuge in safe haven assets. And when they get nervous, they turn to safe haven assets like gold. Gold has always been a go-to asset in times of uncertainty. Finally, don't forget about the Fed. The Federal Reserve's policies play a crucial role in the economic landscape. Trump has been critical of the Federal Reserve in the past. His comments and actions could influence their decisions. If he puts pressure on them to keep interest rates low, that could be good news for gold. Low interest rates often lead to higher gold prices. Let's talk more about inflation. It's a topic that affects everyone, whether we realize it or not. It's the silent killer of your savings. Over time, the value of your money decreases, eroding your purchasing power. And Trump's policies could make it worse. His economic decisions have far-reaching consequences. Think about it. Trump's tariffs on Chinese goods, they don't just affect businesses. Those tariffs mean higher prices for consumers. And his tax cuts? They might seem beneficial at first glance, they could lead to more spending and even more inflation. More money in people's pockets often means more spending. Now some people will say that inflation is under control. They point to stable market trends and reassuring news, but I'm not so sure. There are always underlying factors that can change the scenario quickly. The Fed's been printing money like crazy. This influx of money can lead to devaluation. Sooner or later, that's got to catch up with us. Economic downturns are often preceded by such actions. That's where gold comes in. It's a hedge against inflation. Gold is a tangible asset. Unlike paper money, it has intrinsic value. It's a store of value. People have trusted gold for centuries. When inflation rears its ugly head, gold has historically held its value. It's a reliable safeguard. That's why I always say, own some gold. It's a smart move to protect your wealth. Finally, let's not forget about the global situation. The world is currently facing a myriad of challenges that are causing significant unrest and uncertainty. From escalating trade wars to political instability, the global landscape is more volatile than ever. Things are tense out there. Trade wars, political instability, you name it. These factors are creating a ripple effect across global markets, leading to unpredictable fluctuations and heightened anxiety among investors. Trump's America First policies could add fuel to the fire. His approach to international relations and trade has been anything but conventional, often leading to increased tensions with other nations. He's not afraid to shake things up on the world stage. This unpredictability can lead to significant market reactions as investors try to navigate the uncertain terrain, and that can create uncertainty. When leaders make bold moves, markets can react in unexpected ways, causing both short-term volatility and long-term shifts. Now, I'm not saying a major crisis is inevitable. However, the current global climate suggests that we should be prepared for potential disruptions. But it's something to keep an eye on. Investors need to stay informed and be ready to adapt to changing circumstances. Because when the world gets worried, they buy gold. Gold has always been seen as a safe haven in times of uncertainty. It's as simple as that. The demand for gold tends to rise when other investments seem too risky. So what's the bottom line? In times of global tension, gold often becomes a go-to asset for investors looking to protect their wealth. Gold may be down in the short term, Market fluctuations can cause temporary dips in gold prices, but the long-term outlook is still bright. Inflation, geopolitical uncertainty, and the Fed. These are all factors that could push gold prices higher in the years to come. My advice? Don't panic, sell your gold. Instead, consider the bigger picture and the long-term potential of your investment. In fact, now might be a good time to buy more. With prices potentially lower in the short term, it could be an opportune moment to increase your holdings. Remember, gold is a long-term investment. It's not about quick gains, but about securing your financial future. It's a hedge against uncertainty. When other investments falter, gold often holds its value. And there's plenty of uncertainty out there right now. So keep an eye on the global situation and consider how gold can play a role in your investment strategy.
Hi, I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Picking the right precious metals company is important, so today we will go over 3 highly recommended companies from GiveMeTheGold.com. Our panel of experts have picked these companies based on reliability, customer service, and other factors. You can also see our complete list of companies and more information by going to our website at GiveMeTheGold.com. Our first recommendation is Augusta Precious Metals. They have been a trusted name in the precious metals industry since 2012. They are the top recommendation for accounts with $50,000 or more to invest. They combine their top education and white glove services to make it an all-around excellent experience for their investors. To get more information, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call them at 1-855-470-4636. Our next recommended company is Goldencrest Metals. They are a standout choice for investors seeking to start the gold IRA journey with a minimum initial investment of only $10,000. Goldencrest Metals has a customer's first approach and great guidance by their professionals to help you get started. Visit their website at goldencrest.info. Our last recommended company for today is Colonial Metals Group. Colonial Metals Group stands out for its competitive promotional offers designed to give investors added value when starting a gold IRA. They provide access to exclusive deals on precious metals and other perks for first-time clients, including a free safe. To get more information, visit freegoldkitnow.com. You can see all these links for your convenience underneath the video in the description. To see the extended list of all the company, visit the website at GiveMeTheGold.com. I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Wishing you the best in your financial endeavors, and thanks so much for watching.